Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Ito ay mabisang gamot para sa UTI, renal failure, tumutulong mapapahaba ang creatinine, nakakatulong sa kidney problems, cancer problems, insomnia, almoranas, gallstone, constipation at diabetes.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. You guys heard the song from Oberhofer. It's called Away From You. That song brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule. Now available nationwide. Available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Mabibili sa inyong mga suking butika. Okay? Red Alingatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito. You guys try it, all right? And time now for some of the latest news and updates from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Here's an invite for you. We're having the culinary extravaganza here in the Subic Bay Freeport. The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority partners with the Department of Tourism Region 3 Office for the Central Luzon Culinary Extravaganza 2024, honoring the Filipino Food Month. The month of April is Filipino Food Month. Okay, so throughout the weekends, all weekends of April, our restaurants here will showcase a variety of Filipino delights, including street foods, kakanin, merienda delights, ihaw-ihaw, and grand Filipino fiesta. Okay? So we have different themes for every weekend. Iba-iba yung tema natin. Ano? Ito yung mga tema natin every weekend. Yung naunang week, kasi we have a total of 4 weekends for the Filipino Food Fiesta. Okay? April 5 to 7 was Street Food Extravaganza, Filipino Kakanin and Merienda Delights. It happened April 12 to 14. And this coming weekend naman, meron ulit, of course, April 19 to 21, Ihaw Ningnang Grill Fiesta. Yan, sa mga restaurants here. And April 26 to the 28, the last weekend of April, Grand Filipino Fiesta. All right? So here are the participants, the participating establishments para sa ating Culinary Extravaganza 2024. So look for the establishments, huh? Okay? We have Fusion Bar or Fusion Corner, okay? Sexy Legs Chicken, 3 Points Bistro at Travelers Hotel, Jerry's Grill, okay? The Clubhouse Restaurant, Sands Resto Grill, Tepan 101, Makimura Ramen Bar, all right? And Buddha's Bowl, okay? So look for those establishments. Find them on Facebook, find them on or Google, simply Google, as they are participating in the Culinary Extravaganza Weekend Specials Feast of Filipino Foods here in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Ayan. So all of you guys are invited. We are inviting all of you to join, okay? And speaking of inviting all of you, here's a couple more invites for you guys if you got plans of watching the movies. Dahil mag-weekend na, no? Tama-tama. Sarap manood the movies. Here are what's showing. What's showing right now sa SM Cinema Downtown and SM Cinema Central. Okay? So, first up we have for SM Central from April 18 to the 23rd. So, this is ongoing today, huh? 18, right? Yes. Mm-hmm. Cinema 1, Abigail. Cinema 2, Civil War. Cinema 2 also, back-to-back. The First Omen. At Cinema 3, Ghostbusters, Frozen Empire. I want to watch that movie. All right. Cinema 4, Godzilla vs. Kong, The New Empire. Cinema 5, Under Parallel Skies. Cinema 6, Arcadian, back-to-back with The Ministry of Ungentlemanly Warfare. All right. Those are what's showing at SM Downtown, or SM Central, I mean, okay? At SM Downtown is next. Ayan, 17 to 18. So last day ngayon to, ha, for SM Downtown. At Cinema 1, Ghostbusters, Frozen Empire. Cinema 2, Abigail. And Cinema 3, Godzilla vs. Kong, The New Empire. Okay, that's at SM Cinemas Downtown. Okay? And also, grab advantage of the Sports Central. Take extra 15% off on any Under Armour product. Okay? Sports Central at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. This is from April 5 to the 28th. All right? So, yung mga mahilig, favorite ang Under Armour brand, 15%, extra 15% off. Okay? And our home is participating, of course, in the 3-day sale. Visit SM Central third level. That's where they're at. Our home from April 19 to 21, of course. Okay? See posters and print ads for more details. Next up, we have the Ace Hardware 3-day sale. April 19 to 21 din. Syempre, in line with the SM City Olongapo Central 3-day sale. Up to 40% off on selected items. 10% off for every 3,000 minimum spend. Just bring with you your Ace Rewards card or Smack Advantage card or Smack Prestige. All right? And My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee is now open. Okay? It's now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan. Okay? It's at the second level. Am I right? Yeah, second level. Level 2. My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee. Next up, catch the Mitsubishi Triton, the all-new Mitsubishi Triton on display at SM Central from April 16 to the 22nd. Okay? So check it out. Mitsubishi Triton, the all-new Mitsubishi Triton pickup truck. All right? And the Engines Fan Fest. All right? Engines is the, that's what they call the fans of Enhypen. Am I right? Yeah. April 28, Sunday, 3 p.m., Level 2 at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Wow. So yung mga big fans dyan ng Enhypen, come and visit the Engines Fan Fest at the SM Downtown, okay? Also inviting you to the Geely display. On display at SM City Olongapo Central from April 19 to 25, the all-new GX3 Pro from Geely. Only 48K down payment. All right? Wala akong 48K eh. Paano ba yan? Pwede ba utang na lang? And get the chance to win as much as 10,000 pesos worth of shopping money when you shop a minimum 3,000 single receipt at SM City Olongapo Central, also in line with the 3-day sale. Catch the 3-day sale, April 19, 20, and 21. Plus, get the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Desire car. And if you're looking for jobs, client service officer is the job opening at SM City Olongapo Central. So apply now. Go there directly if you want to. Okay? Pwedeng dumiretso. And Mom's Ube and Triple Chocolate Champurrado is now open at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. So do check it out. Okay? So there you have it. That's our invites for you coming from SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. For the meantime, we will take the quick top of the hour break. We will be right back. Please stick around.